Hi, my name is Steven Matsumoto. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer here at Trem Group, the real estate marketing group, where we grow, scale, and help our clients turn their websites and their business and brand into lead generation machines to grow their sales. If you're watching this video, you're most likely a real estate agent, a real estate team, a real estate broker, or even a developer. Maybe you're even a specialist in marketing that specializes in the real estate industry. Whatever the case may be, you're here today to find out what you should be doing in 2024 online for the real estate industry to generate more leads. Not just more leads, but engaged leads, high quality leads that are actually going to turn into transactions. Before I get started, I invite you to look below. You'll find testimonials, you'll find case studies, you'll find interviews with our head of sales, Carlos, and a lot of our clients. And step by step, their experience with us and what we've been able to provide them. I have case studies of $10 million sales, $5 million sales, $12 million sales, 1, 2, and even a few below $1 million, but our goal is always to help our clients sell properties above $1 million. At the end of the day, we understand that return on investment is key. It doesn't matter if we build you the most beautiful website or get you 1,000 leads. If you're not investing X amount and getting X amount in return, everything is meaningless. I'm going to show you here today is how to get a random person on the internet, what we call an impression, somebody searching, somebody viewing a video, somebody, whatever the case may be. We'll go step by step. I'll show you the exact ads we use, the exact process that we use, the emails they receive, everything. I'm here today to show you everything. And the goal is not to get just some random person on the internet, an impression. The goal is to get them to your website, we call it traffic, to get them to your database or CRM, whatever you'd like to call it, to get them to actually be a real transaction and dollars in your bank account. And we've done this step by step. I call it the rabbit hole, taking the user down their customer journey. And what is the biggest problem in the real estate industry? It's not like e-commerce. I don't realize that this tie may be my best seller. So in any service industry, anybody that generates leads, a lot of your data is offline. So how do you know where that sale came from or that bad lead came from, things like that? How are you able to optimize? If you can't track it, if you can't quantify, how can you possibly grow it? So again, right now I'm just explaining step by step. Feel free to schedule a call with one of our experts. They can dive in on one-on-one and give you a full detail. Definitely my suggestion is keep watching, download our guide. The whole concept today is to teach you everything that we do, and you can do this all yourself. I'm not here today to sell you anything. The goal is that if you like what you hear, that you can always call us and we can do it for you. If you're currently doing any type of digital marketing now in 2024, most likely what you're doing is one of the 5 following. And what I want to tell you is what we've been able to do here at the Real Estate Marketing Group doesn't exist anywhere else. Definitely keep an open mind right now, because all the current options that you're possibly doing are not doing what we do. Yes, anyone can run Google Ads. Yes, anyone can build a website. Yes, anyone can open a CRM. But if not utilized correctly, does it really work? And I'm here today to show you countless case studies of it working over and over. Before I get started and you see the step-by-step and you download the 9-step guide and I show you everything on how to generate the sales yourself, I want to explain the 5 options that you probably have today. First option, if you're a real estate professional looking to grow your business, you're most likely gonna go advertise on Zillow, Realtor, or Trulia, or one of those multi-billion-dollar companies. What's the issue there? It's just like an e-commerce website selling on Amazon instead of your own website. Yes, you can invest 10 grand on Zillow. You can invest 20 grand a month on Zillow and make a 2x return, a 3x return. Let's say you make a 5x return. Let's say it's that confident. At the end of the day, you're just renting space on Zillow. You're not building a brand. You're not building a name. Nobody knows who you are. They just know you as an agent on Zillow. They don't know who you are. The same as Amazon. When you go buy on Amazon, go today, buy something on Amazon, whatever the case may be, you don't know the store, you don't know the brand, you bought from Amazon. So I want you to keep that in mind when running advertising on Zillow or Realtor or Trulia or any of those multi-billion-dollar companies. Yes, you can get an extra return, but remember, you're always renting or leasing space on their platform. So that takes me to my second, is you can go ahead and build your own website. You can either hire a luxury company to build you a very beautiful website, give you a nice, pretty presence. You could even build the website on your own if you like. But let's say you go to somebody that specializes in real estate at building websites. They say they can provide you marketing, but at the end of the day, I say test it. I'm always open for testing. They will build you a beautiful website. They will provide you a very nice presence online. but they will not grow or scale your business directly from their efforts. So that is the option. So think about it. You have a beautiful real estate website, or you could advertise in Zillow. What we built is something in the middle. And I'm gonna go with the other options as well. You can hire a platform. You can, like KV Core, Ylopo, Boomtown, Real Geeks, any of those cookie cutter platforms. There's no personalization. They're basically out of the box packages. They probably generated you leads, and none of the leads actually turned into sales. So again, we can generate hundreds of leads. If they don't turn into dollars, it's all meaningless. The third option is you can hire a marketing agency. In those marketing agencies, they'll ask you, they'll interview you, be like, would you like Facebook ads? Would you like Google ads? Would you like LinkedIn ads? Maybe some TikTok or Snapchat. I don't know the case. But the issue there is, yes, they might be fantastic marketing, fantastic at advertisements and things like that, but they don't understand the real estate industry. You will have to tell them what to do. And the thing is, if you're watching this video, most likely you're not even sure where to start. And then the fifth option is you can outsource. You can outsource to freelancers, things like that, outside of the country, things of that nature, much lower cost. But again, you will spend all your time managing the team as opposed to the team running on autopilot and providing you with what you need. So those are your 5 current options in 2024. What we've been able to do is a middle ground between the luxury website of real estate and Zillow. Ryan Serhant, Tom Ferry, all the top experts say, what do you need to be doing in 2024? You need to be building your brand. And if you're not building your brand that you own, where you're the face, you are the business, then you're not really building anything. So what we've been able to do is build you your own Zillow-like website. What created Zillow was Google. Zillow was able to find the best keywords in Google and drive traffic of people searching for homes. So why even go straight to Zillow? Us as real estate agents or real estate professionals, we think the search starts in Zillow. No, the search starts in Google. And Zillow cannot compete at the local level, just like Amazon can't compete at the niche level. If I'm selling, let's say, this cup right here, if I'm selling white cups, Amazon will never beat me at selling white mugs. I will dominate the internet market because they're fighting too many battles. So think of that as the same as your specific territory. Whatever your territory may be, your sub-neighborhood, your sub-zip code, your sub-area, no matter how large the geographic area, I want you to think that Zillow can't compete with you at the local level. They're fighting too many battles at once. So you need to dominate the Google space for your market. And what does that mean? I'm not here to change anything in your business. I'm here to add to your business. Every single thing that you're doing offline, the sales you're currently making, the success that you've had, I'm here to add on top of that and use it all together online and offline so that you dominate the online market for where you're located. For example, I'm currently in Coral Gables, Miami, Florida. Miami being the giant municipality, Coral Gables being a sub-neighborhood of that. What would I dominate? Anybody searching homes for sale, houses for sale, properties for sale, real estate for sale in Coral Gables and the surrounding neighborhoods. So I've already had success in Coral Gables as an agent. This is the area I dominate offline. Now it's about doing that online. So if you watched up to this point, most likely you're interested in what I'm saying. It makes sense. If you want to see everything, the 9 steps and the guides and the case studies and everything we've been able to do step by step, the ads we used in Google, the retargeting ads that we specifically used to get people back to the website, the email drip we used in the CRM, how many times the actual lead came to the website before they registered, before we made contact as an agent from there, and then when it actually became a transaction in commissions. So we have all that information. My suggestion is register below, download the guide, and you'll see the 9-step wheel that you need to be doing in 2024 for your business in real estate.